What is up, guys? It's your boy KP, and today I got a new short shifter kit for my RSX, and this is it. Bam! From Revo. Right there, Revo. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. Let's take a look at what we got here. I got my safety knife, my Starbucks coffee. Let's see. Now let me explain. I went with Revo because I couldn't get my hands on the Buddy Club short shifter kit. I was looking for the 5-speed, not the 6-speed, and it's on back order. So I ended up going with the Revo, which is basically, based on my research, it was basically like the Buddy Club, but cheaper. So I decided, what the hell, let's give it a shot. Paper, instruction. Oh, here we go. Boom! This is it. This is the short shifter. What we got here basically looks like the Buddy Club one if you search it up. Alright, so now that you guys got to see the short shifter, why don't we get on with the installation part. Let's go. So here we are in the cockpit of the car. Let me show you what tools we'll be using for this job. Pretty standard, nothing, you don't need anything serious. We got our 10mm sockets. We got these two, screwdriver, and some Allen keys, and of course you got your Starbucks coffee, must need it. This is all you're gonna be needing to do the job. It's not that hard, it's not that serious. We're gonna start by taking off the center console to get into the shifter. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna start by taking off the shift knob. Get this sucker out. Bam. Then I'm gonna pop this guy. Get this guy out of here. Now next you wanna do is you wanna pop off this guy to get it the center console off. What we're gonna do, flathead, and try and pry it out. Straight like that. Is you want to take off the two bolts here, and then there's two bolts. There's two bolts back here, which we'll be doing right after. Let's get these guys off first. Since we are already here, you might as well take off these two. They're gonna need to come off. Okay, so normally there's gonna be a screw here and a screw on the other side, but my car didn't have it. Odd. So previous owner probably took that off. But yeah, so you would want to take these two off. Okay, so now what we're gonna want to do is take off the center console, which should just pry off. You just want to go in between here to the two sides, pull out. It should just come out like that. It's very easy. This guy comes. So as you can see how filthy it is, I'm going to be putting on some gloves just to bam. Okay, so now what we got here is you want to take off these pins. You got a pin here, a pin here, you have a clip here that needs to come off, and then there's 4 10mm. Let's start off with the clips. Boom. Pins I'm trying to get right here. So you're just bending this up. that guy out. Okay, so now we're gonna get this clip over here. Let me just... got this guy out. Next thing you want to do is... Okay, 4 bolts are off. Alright, now let's just getting these suckers out.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so I couldn't film this because this shit did not want to come off. But I got this guy off. You get that off by removing this clip. Comes off, comes off. This guy I had a lot more trouble with. But who cares? I got it off. This is the nasty ass stock shifter. We got over here the short shifter. As you can see in the length at the top here, there is a noticeable difference in the height as well, so you can expect this one to be smaller, but generally speaking it is literally the same. Over here, this is what's gonna adjust the shifting feel. So the higher it is, the shorter the shifts, the lower, the longer. Straightforward. Let's get rid of this nasty guy right here. Okay, so as you can see off camera, what I did was I just cleaned it up here to make sure there was no more gunk that was there previously. Throw on the short shifter on top. First thing we're gonna do, let's bolt her up. Let's get these bolts in. Gotta lock her in place. Bam. There you go. Everything's in. Let's see how she feels. Wow. These shifts are so much better. Crisp. Alright. Let's go for a drive and see how she feels. What is up, guys? So unfortunately what happened was I wasn't able to record when I first finished the installation, but as you can tell, it's been a few days now. Your boy got a fresh cut. Shout out to my homie Julius for always taking care of me, making me look fresh. But anyways, so because I couldn't record the initial reactions, I will say I have been driving the car a few days now. I know I've been, taking nice spins to Mexico, even cruising with the boys, and the short shifter has held up. I have zero issues, haven't had any problems with it in the last few days, but it feels amazing, and it feels dramatically good. Let me take you guys for a spin and show you what I'm talking about. Feels so good. So I will say, after a few days of driving with the new shifter, it feels really good. A lot better than the stock OEM shifter. I was actually quite surprised by how well it's held up. There has been no issues whatsoever. They're driving it for a few days now. I'm loving it. It's like definitely worth the upgrade of doing. Oh man. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's my first vlog. Please don't be so harsh. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, any advice you guys can give. Don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button, like this video, dislike this video. Nah, please like the video, guys. Thank you again. Hope everyone's doing okay during these hard COVID-19 times, but have faith, guys. Keep on living. Peace.